Welcome to our guide that will explain how to enable or disable Samsung Voice Access. Voice Access is an innovative feature that allows users to control their Samsung device using voice commands, making the device usage experience convenient and accessible. Whether you want to simplify everyday tasks or need assistance navigating through various applications, this guide will show you how to activate voice access when you need it and how to turn it off when it's no longer needed. First, open the settings on your phone. After that, scroll down and find the accessibility option. Once you've located it, click on it. Then in the middle of the screen, click on the interaction and dexterity option. This will open a page where you'll find the voice access option. Click on it. If this option is not available on your device, you need to download and install it first. Now turn on voice access and grant the necessary permissions. When voice access is activated, you'll see a shortcut in the middle of the screen. When you tap it, voice access will activate, and its icon will appear in your notification panel. Tap it to initiate device access, and you can say Open Settings, which will immediately open the settings. Let's try to return to the home screen by saying Home Screen, which will take us there. To deactivate it, swipe down and tap on Tap to pause. That's all for this video. We hope we've been helpful.